Is going to build a what is this thing? It is a old school entertainment system. Basically, it's a Super NES looking thing. Alright, he's never done this before, so there's going to be a little bit of guidance while he's doing it. At this point, you don't have to read all the instructions. It's okay. None of us ever do. Just set them to the side. Actually, that's bad education. You should read it all, but Dad's done this once, so you don't have to. Dad will guide you. Okay?
Alright.
Just open that up. And inside there, you're going to find a little bitty computer. Do you know what it's called?
A Raspberry Pi.
That's right. And you said don't show your face, right? Okay. Alright, that's a Raspberry Pi. Now when you first open it, it has no heat sinks on it. Okay, the heat sinks are good for, well, if it gets hot, it dissipates the heat through the heat sink. That's what these things are. So Landon, please open that little clear plastic container. And you're going to see two little heat sinks. One for a small chip, one for a big chip. And you'll see which one fits where when you take it out and kind of size it up. Alright, you see the big chip? Where's the big chip? You see? Am I in your way? Alright, you see the big chip? That's a big chip. That's a little chip. Alright, there's a little bit of plastic on it. Just peel that off. And once you peel it off, just stick it on there square.
Dang, these things are hard to peel.
There you go. Just square it up to the little chip, and then once you stick it, it's going to stay there, so make sure you got it right. That's good. You want to cover the whole chip, and you did. Good job. Do the same thing with the big chip. What that'll do is it'll keep it from overheating. Alright. Looks good to me. What do you think? Pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Alright. You're done with that. Let me throw that away. By the way, this is going to go on Tech Talk. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, open this box. That's going to be your case. Now, this is a little bit tricky. Not too bad. One thing I noticed in the last case that we got was the...
I think I opened the wrong side.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's just a box. Tear it open. The threads on there were not threaded very well.
Got a sticker.
Little sticker? Yeah, that's pretty cool.
This is the case.
Alright, open it up. Should just pop right off. There you go. And what do you have in there?
Got four little bolts.
Uh-huh.
And got these.
Some more heat sinks. Well, we already got the heat sinks covered, so you can set those to the side. I don't know, it might be better to use those, but we're not. We got heat sinks on it, we're not taking them off. Alrighty.
Put the sticker right there.
No. Alright, take the bottom of that piece. And there's some screwdrivers. You're probably going to need maybe this screwdriver.
Oh, look at that. We got two stickers.
Oh yeah, that's kind of neat.
Super
Put one on the car or something. I don't know. Alright, see if you can fit this piece on here to where it looks about right. I don't know which way it goes. You're just going to have to play with it. Look at that. You got it right the first time. That's not fair. It took me forever.
Alright, got your little bolts out.
Uh-huh.
Put them right there.
And you just want to pick one end, screw it, and then do the other side. This part's a little tricky, I'll be honest with you. Just gently keep screwing until it goes in. You might have to push down a little bit because it's not pre-threaded, which kind of bothered me a little bit. Should have been
It's
pre-threaded.
not going down very well.
Do you know what I mean by pre-threaded?
No.
That means that the
Yeah, this isn't going down.
alright. Pre-threaded means that the screws will go down easily on its own. Here, why don't you hold it and I'll help you get it started. Let's see how difficult this is.
Cover the camera.
Alright. Let's see if this will. No, that won't even touch it. Let's try this one. These aren't exactly self-threading screws either.
Not very good, are they?
No.
Try doing this one.
This one?
Yeah.
I don't even think it's catching. Is it even catching? Didn't feel like it.
I don't think there's anything in it where it can catch on. Just super
Feels like
glue
it's
it.
just spinning in midair.
Just super glue it on there.
Alright, what's the deal, pickle? Am I just not lining it up? Maybe that's it. I don't even feel it gripping.
You want to glue it on?
No. It's a good idea, but no. We want it to actually grip. Let's see if it'll grip over here. I think these screws need to be like 2 sizes larger.
Yeah.
Where did it even go? Did I just throw it out? Sure
No,
did.
it's on the board.
Alright, let's do this.
We break it?
No, I don't think we broke it. We certainly aren't threading. Look at that. That didn't even fit. I mean, look at that. You could just put the screw in.
I think you missed.
I messed there. Can you see this one?
Here.
Watch this. It goes right through. It didn't even stick. At all. Oh, you know what?
Got it backwards?
I forgot. You gotta put it all together first. My bad. Oops. You gotta put it all together first, then put the screws on the bottom. Silly me. Alright,
Yeah, it
see
looks
that?
like it goes in on the bottom.
Now the screws will fit.
Look at that.
Look at that. Amazing technology. Alright, I'm gonna start it a little. There you go. Now I'm gonna let you do it. You're gonna have to push down kind of hard and twist. You might have to push. There you go.
I think that's one.
No,
Oops.
not quite. Hold on. It's kind of kitty corner. There you go. Let me hold it while you twist it.
It's not staying on very well.
Yeah, you're gonna have to twist it pretty hard.
But I can't get it. It just keeps falling right off.
It should catch.
It's not catching.
Is it not? Here, why don't you hold it and I'll try and twist. I forgot about putting the whole thing together. Yeah. That's tricky. You have to put a little bit of brute force on it. Alright, so we did that side. Let's do this side. Yeah, I can feel it catching now. Now I'm just going to twist it a little bit to get them started. And then I'll let you try and twist a little, okay?
Alright.
Just so we can pretty much have it together, but not all the way. Because I know it's kind of tough. It's kind of hot in here, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know if my air conditioner vent has been closed off. I might need to open that. Yeah, it's kind of hard with this thing. This isn't the best screwdriver to use for this. I thought a little jewelry type screwdriver would be good, which is what these are. But you really kind of need one with a bigger handle to it. I don't know if this one will work. Let's see. That's a big tip on it.
Might have to change it.
Let's see if we have a tip that's smaller. That might work. I don't know, it's kind of iffy. That looks kind of big. Yeah, that's not going to work. Is that the one I think that's the one I used. I don't think any of these are going to be tiny enough. I think we're stuck with the jewelry version.
See if you can. Can't really get it to stay.
Alright, that ain't gonna work. So, yeah, I can feel it's kind of loose when you pick it up. So, let's see if we can't use one of these. Oh. Oh.
I'm gonna break it.
No. Looks like wait a second. I might have a larger one back here. Let's try that one. That might be the same size we were using. I actually had someone ask me how to build one of these, so that's kind of why we're building this video. They were saying, hey, how do you build a Super Nintendo looking Raspberry Pi game like what you showed on your Tech Talk? And I said, well, I don't know. Let's see if we can build one. So we're going to go ahead and try it. Landon, I'd like for you to do this, but I don't think you're going to be able to grip this thing. Go ahead and hold the camera up, please.
Trying to like set it.
No, I want you to be the cameraman for right now, okay? Can you do that for me? Because I can't do both, and we're almost there. See how loose that is? That's got to go a little bit tighter. It's hard to get a grip on this because it's so small. If I had my vice grips, it'd be a little easier.
You don't have them?
I do, but they're in my tool bag. I don't have them right now handy.
Sure. You twist it around.
It's hard to do. Yeah, let me get my vice grips. I'll be right back. Keep the video rolling.
Pretty tough to do.
Yeah, you're not going to be able to do this, buddy. I'm sorry. I thought
Probably
it would
not.
be easier.
Who knew those little screws could be so hard?
Alright, so we're going to take this screw driver. Let's see if we can lock it in. I don't think that exactly locked. Let's do it outside of that. Alright, there we go. Now we're going to set it in there. find the little area where we can grip it. And just twist. We don't want to twist it too hard. So we'll try it this way. I'm not feeling it grip. There we go.
Feel it gripping?
Yeah, I think it is.
I think Mom's one.
I think so too.
Yeah, she is.
I'm gonna grip that one.
Watch, they're gonna be so loud when they come in here.
We're going to grip that one. And your mom left her purse. There we go.
Of course she did.
Alright, those
There
are a
we go.
little loose on the end, so let's tighten those. Alright, that's there. Let's try that one. This is not an exciting video, I'm sure. It's all a matter of putting the screws into this thing.
Probably spent like at least 6 or 7 minutes on it.
What are we at on the minutes?
Almost 17.
17 minutes putting in screws?
Yeah,
Really?
we're at
That's pitiful.
16:55.
This is not a record. Alright.
Better.
That's
a lot
That's
better.
good. Alright. Now, open it up and show them what it looks like. So there we have the USB ports. Got 4 ports there. Wired Ethernet if you happen to have one of those around. There's the sound. There's the HDMI connector that goes out to your TV. This is your power. And this little guy is your micro SD card. Alright. Now keep the video rolling. I'm going to move this chair behind you so don't sit down. And I'm going to show them how this card goes in. Alright. This is a little 128 gig micro SD card. It's got everything pre and loaded. It includes RetroPie and a few games. A bunch of games. So you pop that in.
A lot.
Kind of upside down, I think, if I remember right. And at this point, it's ready to go. So you want to go to retropie.org, download the RetroPie image, install your ROMs, and plug it in here. Your HDMI. You don't need this unless you're going to an external speaker of some type. This is where you're going to plug your USB controllers in, which, by the way, we happen to have one available somewhere around here. It's in here.
No, okay. Yeah, we got one.
And this is what they look like. And you just take this little USB connector, plug it in, like that, and plug your USB or your HDMI, your power, and you're good to go. At this point, this little guy should be able to play all your retro arcade games. Alright, I think that's the end of our video. We may play another video later once we have it programmed, or maybe we'll show you how to program it. Anyway, thank you very much for watching.